Our planet is in crisis. The signs are all around us and they are impossible to ignore. We see the effects of climate change every day. Melting glaciers, rising sea levels, and extreme weather events like hurricanes and wildfires are stark reminders of our planet's fragility. These events are not isolated incidents, but part of a growing pattern that threatens ecosystems and human lives alike. The aftermath of natural disasters leaves communities devastated, and the cracked, dry earth is a testament to prolonged droughts. But there is hope. We have the power to act, to change course, and to restore our planet. Across the globe, people are coming together to plant trees, harness renewable energy, and engage in community cleanup activities. And in this fight for our future, a powerful ally has emerged: artificial intelligence. This technology is not just a tool, but a revolutionary force that can help us tackle the most pressing environmental challenges. AI, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns, is becoming a game changer in the fight against climate change. Scientists are leveraging AI to gain insights that were previously unimaginable, using supercomputers to process complex climate data. It's helping us understand the complex workings of our planet and develop innovative solutions. From monitoring deforestation with satellites to optimizing energy grids with smart technology, AI is at the forefront of environmental conservation. AI is proving to be an invaluable tool in our quest for a sustainable future. It is enabling us to deploy solar panels and wind turbines more efficiently, conduct groundbreaking environmental research, and empower communities to adopt sustainable technologies. Imagine satellites orbiting the Earth, their watchful eyes constantly scanning the surface. These satellites, powered by AI, can detect deforestation in real time. They can identify illegal logging activities and alert authorities, enabling rapid intervention and protection of our forests.
But AI's capabilities extend far beyond monitoring. AI-powered climate models are helping scientists predict future climate scenarios with unprecedented accuracy. These models provide crucial insights that inform our mitigation and adaptation strategies. They empower us to make informed decisions, develop effective policies, and build a more resilient future.
The EMA platform, for instance, is revolutionizing the aviation industry. By optimizing aircraft taxiing routes, EMA reduces fuel consumption and emissions at airports. This innovative AI solution exemplifies how even small changes can have a significant positive impact on the environment.
Another inspiring example is the SEEPL platform. This AI-powered tool provides real-time data on forest activities, including deforestation, poaching, and illegal mining. By empowering indigenous communities and local authorities with this information, SEEPL helps protect forests and combat climate change.
Section 4. Navigating the